So we opened the school in 2013, which was right on the heels of Hurricane Sandy. So we identified, me and my co-founders, a need for students to be prepared and really make sure that their communities were ready for those types of incidents that happen in the city. We also saw an opportunity for students to develop real-world skills in a growing industry of emergency management.
It's a dynamic field. It's all about problem solving. It's all about making connections and really just helping people. So for me, my mission is just trying to get kids inspired and to help them see themselves as having a future and a career.
Emergency preparedness means to me organizing supplies and staff for humanitarian purposes.
We start in the 9th grade year with just basic preparedness. So they do an assessment of their house and safety evacuation plans, talking to their neighbors, thinking about incidents that could happen in their immediate neighborhood, and just building community, because we know that that's one of the biggest things that folks can do to be prepared. And then in the 10th grade, they learn about municipal preparedness. So they actually dig into things like the city incident management systems and protocols, learn about the different response agencies and first response community in general, and different careers that they could move into within first response and emergency management. And then in their 11th grade year, they actually get to branch out into one of the more specific fields of either emergency medicine or cybersecurity. But the underpinning curriculum is grounded in a lot of the emergency management mindset. So everybody will get the FEMA certificates and learn about the different protocols that emergency managers follow.
We have a curriculum that includes training for CPR, first aid in the early underclassmen years, 9th and 10th grade. They go through different certification courses in FEMA independent study courses, so NIMS and ICS courses and hazardous materials awareness courses. We see it as kind of an entry-level opportunity for them to get into the field, to get their hands dirty, while also having had this 4-year education in broader emergency management, looking at disasters, looking at preparedness, looking at kind of all aspects of kind of the field as best as we can provide.
Getting CPR certified, learning about things in the field that you also get to apply in the field that you can also do, like we do scene size up and sort of walking into a scene and how to be prepared and things that you look for. Now that I do the EMT program, everywhere I go, I look for AED. I'm like, okay, where's our AED? God forbid something happens.
We have the Hands to Heart CPR team, which I am part of, and we go around New York City to the neighborhoods that have high ambulance times, and we prepared the people in the community to respond to cardiac arrest by performing hands-on CPR to their loved ones.
It helps communities by educating them. I feel like education is one of the most powerful ways to bring anything to a community. So by educating us, we educate the ones that we meet and the people around us, and I feel word by mouth is kind of the biggest thing.
Students obviously get exposed to topics and curriculum that I'm not sure where else it's being taught. So they have a really unique, sense of, different disasters. And
it kind of opened me up to something new that I had no idea about. It brought me into a new environment, a new field, and I feel like it's an amazing stepping stone for where I want to go in the future.